Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no! Mistakes have been made. No! And it's catching alight. Oh no. Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be attempting to make bubble waffles. Attempting being the main word here because I don't know how well this is gonna go. I'm a little bit nervous, but if you followed me on my social media at all over the Christmas holidays, which seems like blooming ages ago now, if you did follow me on my social media, you will have seen that I tried bubble waffles at a Christmas market and I have fallen madly in love with them. So you know a normal waffle is like got the holes in it? These have bubble shapes instead of holes and I love them. So I went ahead and purchased one of these, which is a bubble waffle maker. It's come just in time for pancake day. And what you're supposed to do, we'll probably fail at this, is open this up like so, fill it with bubble waffle recipe, close it and flip it over without spilling it anywhere, and then cook it. And apparently you make bubble waffles and I'm very, very excited about it. Let me know in the comments whether you think I'm gonna survive this or not. And also let me know what other videos you'd like to see. And if you don't follow me on my social media and you did miss the whole bubble waffle debacle, what the heck are you doing? It's Jazzybum on everything. Make sure you go give me a follow. Yeah, let's make some bubble waffle. I'm nervous. I'm gonna bring up the recipe on the computer because obviously I have no clue what I'm doing. I've never done this before. And we're gonna go for this. So, 220 grams of plain flour. Oops. Asda's finest. Teaspoon of baking powder. Half a tablespoon of corn flour. Boom. This is all going swimmingly well so far. 1 egg. No, I got a bit of shell in there. 2 eggs. 1. That's a lot of sugar. Oh gosh, I've already done it wrong. You're meant to mix all the wet ingredients and mix all the dry ingredients and slowly add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. I've just mixed it all together, so oopsie. Whoa. And it's time to pour my very first bubble waffle. I'm gonna sneeze. I'm gonna. Bless me. Get some oil on there. Doesn't sound like it likes it. It is hot. Okay. Just gonna pour this in there. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Hey, we're closing. It's come out of the sides and flip. It's dripping all down the sides. Oh no. 2.5 minutes. Are you sure? It's gonna be burnt. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be burnt in 2.5 minutes. Like I can fit here. I'm gonna open it. No, I'm scared. Okay, we're opening. It looks good! Oh, it's catching alight. Did you see that? A little bit of it just caught alight. I'm a genius. How do we? That's amazing. That's actually amazing. Oh, it's hot. Heiser. That is really warm. It is so good. Maybe a teeny bit underdone. Look at these little baubles of goodness. Look at them, and they just pull away so easily. Okay, I have finished eating the bubble waffle. I ate pretty much the entire thing. It was delicious. Yum, yum, yum in my tum. It's gone. So I've decided now to try and attempt to make a rainbow bubble waffle. So I have some food colouring here and I'm just gonna colour 6 lots of the batter and try and drizzle it in here. First step, let's mix some colours in. Pretty. Looks almost the same as the red one. Oh no, it's definitely orange. Yeah, yellow. Yay. Oh, do I want more than that? That's better. That is more like it. I'm using pink instead of indigo violet. No one get angry at me. I want to use pink, okay? Look at the colour. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm really nervous for how this pour is gonna go. I don't think it's gonna go well. I'm actually gonna line them up here. Red. Oh my gosh, it's already a mess. Red. I'm gonna go some orange on the outside. Oh no, I do not have enough room for all of the colours. Okay, well there's no pink going on this thing. Oh no. And flip it over. Well, the flip went better. The flip went better this time. But I didn't get to put any pink in. There was no pink in. Oh, I'm really sad. The pink was my favourite. Okay, are we ready for the masterpiece? There's lots of smoke. Are we ready? That's cute. That's cute. I want to try it again, and this time do lines.
Okay. Quick, quick. Go, go, go. Red. Yellow. Orange. This is orange. It's already cooking so much. It's not fair. I'm not quick enough at this. Oh my gosh. Wait. Wait for me. Green. Oh my goodness. Blue. Quick. Pink.
I'm just going to fill all the gaps in with pink. Okay, that's way too much stuff. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. Mistakes have been made. No. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Look at this. Oh no. It is just oozing out. And it's catching a light. Oh no. Okay, right, I'm gonna try and slice all these side bits off. Quick, quick, quick. Don't stop cooking. I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Ah! Okay, are we ready? I feel like this one might be a bit burnt because this all happened, but let's see what the other side looks like. Wait. That looks so neat. It's just a little bit burnt. That looks really, really good. I wish I had not burnt it. We are definitely trying this one more time. Look how neat that looks in all perfect little straight lines. Okay, I'm gonna try one more time at this. I'm gonna try my absolute best to get them all in on time. I'm gonna try not to burn them, and then we're gonna shove them into the cone, add some ice cream, add some sprinkles, make it look cute, and then I will eat that and be happy for the rest of the day. So, here goes. Wish me luck. Fingers crossed that this works. Oh, I don't think I'm gonna have enough. I don't think I'm gonna have enough yellow. Come on, you can do this. You can do this. Oh my gosh, come on, come on, come on. Oh no, oh no, oh no. There is a teeny bit of pink coming out, but apart from that, I think we've done okay. Fingers crossed. Please, please, please look cute. Please, please, please. I'm so happy. Look at it. Oh. No! No! No, 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 it broke. I'm so sad right now. I'm actually kind of distraught. Oh, I could cry. It's not fully done. Okay, I have tried to use extra mixture to glue it together, but I don't think I did a very good job. It's just ripped in half. Look at my bubble waffle. Oh no. Oh, it's stuck. Oh no. Oh no. I am so sad. I am so sad. Look at this disaster. Look at it. Oh no. That bubble waffle did not work. However, I do want to make one bubble waffle that I put ice cream into and sprinkle sprinkles on. So, final bubble waffle. Here we go. Doesn't look quite the masterpiece I wanted, however, it is in one piece, which makes me very, very happy. So, we have our bubble waffle. We're gonna put it into a cone and we're gonna fill it with ice cream. Ooh, we're gonna put a lovely bit of ice cream in there. Yes, please. And then we're gonna drizzle some of this on there. Pretty. Look. Looky. Oh my goodness. If you haven't tried a bubble waffle, you need to try a bubble waffle. Okay, so that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up for me if you did, and let me know what you're doing for pancake day. If it is pancake day where you are, let me know if you've ever had a bubble waffle. Let me know just in general how you're doing. Let's have a conversation in the comment section, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye.